Hi, I'm Paul Sutton.
And I'm Lisa Sutton from Peak Structural.
Like you, we are grieving the recent tragic loss of Deputy Sheriff Flick and all the first responders Colorado has lost to senseless violence. As a community, we can and must do more to protect the brave men and women who serve and protect us every day. 225 of our local officers are without the proper protective gear needed for an active shooter situation.
As owners at Peak Structural, we are urging fellow business owners and leaders, as well as our whole community, to join us in donating generously to Shield 616. We have a goal to put at least 100 more of our law enforcement personnel in high-tech protective gear, and we need your help to do it.
The protective gear package costs about $1,400 each, so we need a lot of help from the whole community to achieve this goal. To donate to this effort and help outfit another officer with proper protective gear, visit shield616.org. Our public servants and their precious families are worth it. Please give today.